get me? Because you enjoy, I full enjoy myself. I enjoy myself, I full enjoy myself. It was great. Oh, I'm friend. Oh, is him friend? Do it. But Kevin tell me say him like him give him friend the phone and him friend video dinner video and him friend didn't say some things. That's not nice. But that's not nice because if you see a woman a breastfeed her baby, she's not gonna feel comfortable with you video her. Not only that, right? It's both way I'm look on it. She could have talked to me, but I guess she don't. She just jump in the car and leave. You get me? And I think the best way to do this is to just talk to her. So we're going to come off of that. I love her. At least she was here. She do me hair. She do my makeup. She there with me. I don't know what happened, but we're going to work it out. All right? We find out what happened. Look here. No Kevin again. I'm not there with nobody. Look here. I'm not there with nobody named Kevin. I'm not there with nobody named Kevin. All right? People need to stop running with that. I'm not there with anybody. I'm a single woman. Yeah. I never tell nobody say I have no man. I don't have no man. I'm a single woman. I make it stay as that. I want to stay single. I want to be single. I'm good. Yeah. So no matter what nobody else say, I'm good. I am a single woman. Single. Nice family. Thank you. Who video are them say Kevin say him my ask him tell me by the way and him say him turn the camera upon her and in that video him and him friend say something and she get upset and leave. Yeah, I guess that is rude, but I tell you know, but nobody don't want to listen, right? Every tell some I see them a man nowadays. Them a man nowadays just live for views. Them a man nowadays, it's just like how woman a run down things, man a run down things too. I tell you the truth. Them a man nowadays, I don't know. You can't trust man with the palm media. Because sometimes, alright, I'm showing you something, right? Don't feel no way, I'm showing a vibe. I'm say if you can't vibe with it, even though I'm nice. I'm so fucking nice, but I'm going to tell you how I feel. Alright, so people see me on the media and them see what people where whatever do me like that's they do me whatever do me and them see what go on. So no only per man I go run in and them must think said oh and you go treat them the same way and the same thing what Annie do with him and the same thing Annie come in my life come do. No, I tell you say that I go on because them I watch everything on the media. You understand me? Say a whole heap of man now I go run in no one I say who want there with Annie because who me say she do this, she love mine man and she love this and that and rate so yeah. Oh this. Oh God, I don't want to request tonight. Yes, so therefore to me I cannot trust anybody. You understand? Because therefore there's no love there upon social media. Nobody no want a real type of relationship. Nobody know, you understand me, then just a prayer and just want to use it for the views and that's it. Alright. So but the same person will not talk about and I say in rate and this and that and whatever. Right? I'm not going to go down in it. But I'm sure how I know say I just made that type of thing. Because the person said to me say he want me and him to do a prank and he want me to cuss him off stink. Like I just know you, bro. I just know you. I don't know you from Adams, right? Like from Adams, I don't know you. And this man I go say you want me to cuss him off stink and do it, you know, on the media and cuss him and next we're gonna come out and say a prank. Like bro, I don't know you, right? You just meet me, we're not in a relationship, so why you don't want me to cuss you off and next like people are gonna run come now and next we're gonna say a prank? Big man, all of that. all of that. That does show me something else. You understand? For views. That may I tell you, B, the whole thing is just for views. You understand? So it's not genuine, right? And even the day when I did on the beach and him grab on my neck, like, what's that? Like, that crazy. Why you would have grip my neck? That I fight you, don't want me to fight you, because grabbing my neck like that, you make me feel like, yeah, cause boy grab my neck in a certain way. Alright, there's two ways about grabbing your neck. And it's just the truth. There's two ways about grabbing your neck. You have a sexual way when a person grab your neck, and you have another way where a person grab your neck and you know, say, yo, that's a problem, that's a problem. You get me? So a person can grip your neck sexually, but you have to know the person, or you're into something with the person, and they can grip your neck. Because I do like when a man do that. Yeah, lock back my door. Right? I'm not gonna tell you, say, I don't like. Why you in my room?
Oh, you want me? Come on.
Come on, man.
So everybody around me.
Go in your own room. Lock my door.
Get in my room.
You can just lock my door? Thank you. Right, as I said, I do like when a man grab my neck, but you have to grab my neck in a sexual way, right? I'm not telling them I don't like it, but if you grab my neck in a certain type of way and make me feel threatened, yo, bro, me go pray yo. Which as well, I don't know you. Me can have our own room. I don't know you, so why the hell your hand reach around my freaking neck? Right? So the end of the day is a lot of red flags, and I'm not interested. Alright? So I don't want nobody around with you say me and him there, me and him there, me and him there, me and him there. I'm not upset no relationship. So who want Bex and who want Bus. By the way, I'm not there with no man from them name start with K. I don't want them. That's a deja vu for me. I don't want to see no deja vu. Add who? Thank you, baby. Thank you. I'm not giving Kevin a try. Why you not gonna give him a try? You like him that much, go and go try him. If you like him that much, please go and try him. Try him. Yeah, if you like him, I can hook you up on him. Me alright. Right now, the limit where me I go, me ready to give a boy look a pum pum, and tomorrow I don't remember him. I can't do it, you know. Because sex is sex. The limit where me I go, you too wicked. Move your blood clot and go when me wicked with it. When me wicked with it, I know him can't say me use him. I know him can't say me. And by the way, I just know the nigga, so no nigga can't talk to anything I do, I spend my money 100%. Crazy? That's about you too wicked. What wicked about that? Right now, the limit where me there, I rather get a man look at sex and next cut and go about my business. And tomorrow I don't remember you. Yeah, I'm in a relationship type of thing. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, party down them a pack up. Yeah, that's it. Nothing wrong having fun. You understand me? I focus on my work. One it's around. You understand what I say? One it's around. Can get boy some pum pum, and me tell say pum pum sweet. You can get boy some, you can get boy a nice fuck. Me I tell you. And you just go about your business. And when I take a stack, you remember the good fuck, and him still go and call back your phone and say, baby, me not like, you know, last time you come link me her. And yeah, I know someone feel about that thing there. Yeah, nothing wrong. It's around me depend no relationship with nobody. No relationship. I don't want no relationship. Me not go open my heart and soul and kidney for no fucking body. Last time me open up my heart, me believe in a things to rot it all. I'ma take a stop, me get fucked. So why would I do that? Why would I do that? No, sir. Nope. Your mother, I'm proud of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. What happened to Jesus Christ? Nothing happened to them.
Wait, did I?
Yeah.
You can't get it? You can't get it?
So I'm me ask a question. You're my son. You think say me fit with Kevin? You think me fit give Kevin a try in my life?
Connection? You can't think of that. Nothing wrong with
Nothing wrong with
it.
him. So if me and him there, you feel comfortable with that?
Still trying to do it.
Come out of my room. Come out. I can do it. That is not the answer I'm looking for. Please leave.
I mean,
Lock the door.
when people tell you so now, you're not ready for no man yet.
Big up yourself. Me love you.
You're not ready for no man yet.
Thank you.
No, yesterday I left my man.
Drunker, come out.
No, you have to take her.
No, in here. Go in your room.
Tell Kevin say next year, take care next year.
That may I tell you next year, 2 years after. Jagana good smarty. Remember say Jagana good smarty. Yeah, Jagana good smarty. Remember that you know say Jaga hypocrite one more. That may I say I gonna talk about a good man. For my son going. Guys, you're not too hypocritish. Why am I hypocrite? I can't par with you. Well, I saw it go. That one you go feel it. I'm sorry, my love. This is one you go